Hey guys, and welcome to Project Bachata instructional videos. This is a place to be to learn everything about bachata, starting off with the basics. Now these videos will be provided both in English and Spanish, so if you prefer to watch these instructions in Spanish, please click the link below. Remember that sharing is caring, so if you enjoyed these videos, share the love by clicking the like button and sharing the video below. Now let's get started. Hey everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. I am Flaco, and with me I have Cynthia. We are here today to teach you how to do the side-to-side basics. Now the side-to-side basic consists of one full count, one full basic. One full basic consists of 8 counts, and the counts are going to go as follows: 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. Now let's demonstrate what one basic is. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that is one full basic. One thing that I forgot to mention is when you start off your basics, the leads will start off by moving to the left, and the follows will start off by moving to their right. Okay? Now, a couple of things that I do want to mention. Number one, as you are traveling in that direction, you want to make sure that you do not have your weight distributed evenly between your feet. You want to make sure that all your weight is on that foot in the direction that you are heading in. Okay? Number two, another thing that I wanted to mention is you want to make sure that you lead with your center area. So just think about your rib cage. That's what you want to lead with, okay? So again, what that would look like would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay? And one last thing that I do want to mention is that when you tap, you want to make sure that you don't add all of your weight on that foot. When you tap, again, all you want to do is just tap and then move in that direction. If you do put all of your weight on that foot, it's going to make it a little bit difficult for you to move in that direction. So what we're going to do is that we're going to demonstrate 2 full counts, okay, here so that you can see it from both perspectives. 2 full basics. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Now let's turn around so you can hear this from the other perspective. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. Okay, so now that you guys have learned how to do the basics, there's a train in the background. We are going to learn how to do the basics with your partner. So before we get started, there are a couple of things that I do want to mention. There are 2 ways, 2 positions that we can dance bachata in. There is the closed position, okay, and then there is the open position. Now, many may argue that there are more than one position, but for the basics, let's go ahead and stick with those 2. Now, for the closed position, this is what the closed position looks like. Okay, if we turn, what the lead wants to do is put his hand on her shoulder blade back here. This allows me to control which direction she heads in. Okay, now for the follows, you want to make sure that you put your hands right here on the lead's shoulders. Okay, and as you can see, our elbows align. This also allows for her to
control.
Have more control. Thank you. To have more control over, you know, the movements and what direction that we head in. Okay. So again, and one last thing that I want to mention here. I am sorry, I almost forgot to mention this. The way that you hold her hand is to put your thumb in her palm. Okay. You can also, you know, put palm to palm, but I like to put thumb in the palm, and this allows me to better control her. Okay. So let's do two full basics. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. One little thing that I forgot to mention is that when you are in front of your partner, make sure that you are offset just a little bit, okay, and not directly in front of her. If you are directly in front of her, you might butt heads or bump knees. We don't want that, so just slightly offset, okay? This way you don't bump knees together. Okay, so from this perspective, let's do two full basics. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Now that we have learned our basics, let's get this party started.